Welcome again, mate. In today's video, I can tell you the difference, mate, between a bloody silverfish and a Hailong, mate. Now, silverfish, the old prongs, mate. Prongs are in the bottom, mate. She's a 4-pronger, this one. She's in the bottom. Now, in this one, well, you can see the prongs obviously aren't in the bottom. They're in the mount. That's why these are better. Hailong, mate. Don't want a silverfish, mate. They're alright if you're in the city on a city bike. But if you're on a mountain bike, you want a Hailong, mate. You don't even want to mount it like me. I've mounted it like a fucking dickhead, mate. You want to put it in the frame, but I couldn't fit mine in the frame. So I put mine on the outside of the frame. But it's supposed to go on the inside of the frame. It's fucking shit times, mate. Fucking shit times. I fucking wonder, mate. I wonder sometimes if I drill a hole here, can I put that spring on there? Getting sidetracked. Back batteries. Don't want a silverfish, mate. You want a Hailong.